kids? Mario and I were just hanging out trying to figure out what we're gonna do today. He wants to sail a ship. I want to dig in the dirt. We're trying to figure out what will make both of us happy. Check it out. It's a treasure map. Awesome. We get to try to find the ship and we get to find the treasure. Look, we have to start here and go all the way to here. I think we can do this. Let's get started. Kids, do you see the treasure? I don't see the treasure. Mario, do you see the treasure? No, I don't see the treasure. I'm gonna go check on the other side of the forest. Okay, Mario. Here he goes. Oh no! It's a dinosaur! Run away! Ah! Run away! All right, Mario, we're almost there. We got a couple more hills to go over. Boing. Boing. Oh, that was a close one. Now you gotta get up this mountain. Come on, Fido, come on over. Woof, woof, woof. Here we go, Mario. Oh no, you didn't make it. Try again, Mario. Oh no, he didn't make it. I want to quit. No, Mario, don't quit. Keep trying. Say keep trying. All right, here he goes. One more time. Oh no! Here he goes. All the way up to the top. He made it to the top of the mountain. Now we only have a little bit more to go. You gotta go down and we'll find that treasure. Come on, puppy. Off we go. I'm glad we got away from that dinosaur. All right, well, let's keep looking. Oh, look. Hey, your puppy's found something, I think. Keep sniffing. Keep sniffing. What do you got? What did you find? Oh, look. There's a big X. X usually marks the spot for the treasure. Let's start digging. Let's dig. Let's get through. Oh, I think I found something. What is it? Oh, I found a dog bone. Wait a minute. Was this treasure hunt all for you? Oh my goodness. He tricked us into finding his dog bone for us. That's so funny. Mario, you've got a really smart puppy. Ruff, 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 ruff. Guys, that was a fun adventure. Make sure you tune in next time for another awesome time. If you like what you saw, click subscribe, and we'll see you guys next episode. Bye. Bye. Ruff, 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 ruff. See you guys later.
Tham gia nhiều khóa học thú vị tại Boss Kids lên nhé!